In this video, we are diving into everything that's new in iOS 18.6. Every device that supports iOS 18, from iPhone 10 to iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, you can easily install the update. The major bug preventing memory movies from being shared is now resolved. Reports of crashes and glitches are finally addressed in the Mail app. Improved stability and connection reliability for vehicles. Issues with missing alerts or notification delays are fixed. Stuttering and freezing that affected some users are gone. Animations feel snappy again. Connectivity bugs are fixed, including random disconnects many users experienced. If you're updating from iOS 18.5, a modem firmware update is included for better signal strength and call quality. Some built-in apps now show updated splash screens the first time you open them: journal, reminders, fitness, voice memos. These screens highlight features already included, but it's a nice polished touch. For users in the EU, this update reduces warnings when installing third-party app stores, part of Apple's compliance with regional laws. New enterprise device management options were hinted at, but Apple has not fully documented them yet, except updates on their developer site soon. The update contains internal references to next-gen year tags, suggesting better range, battery life, and maybe new features, but nothing official yet. Performance and battery life. This is one of the most stable iOS 18 updates to date. Devices stay cool even during extended use. Users are reporting 5 to 12 hours of screen on time depending on model. iPhone 16e showed 5H44 m of screen time and still had 7% battery left, still holding strong, with 100% health on a device with 17 cycles. Single score 3577, multi-score 8840 among the highest scores yet, indicating well-optimized performance. To sum it up, iOS 18.6 is easily the most refined and stable iOS 18 update yet. If you're on iOS 18.5 or earlier, upgrading is no-brainer. Smoother performance, better connectivity, and important bug fixes. So that's a wrap for this video. Drop a comment with your experience after updating. What device are you using and have you noticed improvements? And of course, give this video a like and subscribe for all the latest iOS updates. Thanks for watching.